In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your storage usage in Adobe Creative Cloud. Whether you're working on new projects or managing existing ones, keeping an eye on your storage usage is always a good idea to ensure you don't run out of space unexpectedly. First up, I'll guide you through the process on the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is straightforward and convenient, especially if you often use the app for your creative tasks. Go ahead and open the Creative Cloud desktop application if you haven't already. Now, look for a little cloud icon. It's usually situated in the upper right corner of the interface. Clicking on this cloud icon will instantly reveal your current usage statistics. You'll see the amount of storage you're currently using displayed alongside your total storage quota. This snapshot gives you a quick view of how much room you have left for your future projects. If you prefer or need to use a web browser to access this information, that's equally simple. Start by opening your preferred web browser. You'll want to visit Adobe's asset management site by typing in Assets, adobe.com in the address bar. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your Adobe ID, so keep those login details handy. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main page. Navigate over to the Files section and then click on Cloud Documents. Alternatively, if you know your way around, you can head straight to your Adobe Creative Cloud storage page. This section gives you an overview of all your stored files and documents. Now, here's a helpful tip. To get a precise breakdown of your storage usage, hover your mouse over the usage number that appears in the lower left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find a clear indication of how much storage you've used so far and how much still remains available. Keeping tabs on this helps prevent unexpected space shortages and keeps your creative workflow running smoothly. And that's it. With just these simple steps, you can monitor your Creative Cloud storage usage, both from the desktop application or through any web browser. By keeping an eye on your storage, you can manage your projects more effectively, ensuring a seamless creative process without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Adobe Creative Cloud storage with ease.